In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and analyze your cash flow in Xero using Cash Flow Manager. First, log into Xero. Once you're in your dashboard, head straight to the reporting section. This is where Xero brings together the insights you need to keep an eye on the health of your business. From the list of available reports and tools, select Cash Flow Manager. This feature brings your expected money in and money out into a single place so you can quickly see what's on the horizon. Take a moment to review the cash flow overview that appears. You'll typically see a summary of projected inflows, outflows, and your overall net position across the selected period. Use this first glance to get a sense of whether your cash position trends positive, negative, or stays tight. Think of it as your snapshot before you dive into the details. Next, locate the View Options section. It's your control panel for how the information is presented. Different views highlight different patterns, so it's worth exploring each one to see what speaks to you best. Click Graph View to see your cash flow as charts. This visual layout helps you spot trends at a glance, rising lines that signal growth, dips that may need attention, and any spikes that could reflect large invoices or bills. Look for seasonality or repeating peaks and troughs. Visual cues are great for quick pattern recognition and for communicating the story of your cash position to your team or stakeholders. Switch to Table View to see the underlying cash flow data in a structured format. Tables make it easier to read exact figures, compare periods side by side, and scan for outliers. Review the rows and columns to understand where the largest inflows and outflows sit. Notice negative values, unusually high amounts, or timing that doesn't match your expectations. This is the place to confirm the numbers behind the visuals. Then click Calendar View to see projected cash movement by date. This layout helps you understand timing with more precision. Scan the calendar for days with big payments due or large receipts scheduled. Identifying those tight days early gives you time to plan and avoid unnecessary pressure. After switching views, review the updated cash flow display to confirm you're seeing the information in the way that best supports your decision-making. Finally, continue analyzing your cash flow forecast. Move between the views as needed, note any periods where cash looks constrained, and keep an eye on whether your net position remains comfortably positive. With these perspectives, you can stay ahead of surprises and manage your cash with confidence.